So bonjour, we are doing definitions of language. This is book 1. So Edward Sapir 1911, basically how did he define language? This is a purely human, non-instinctive method of communicating ideas, emotions and desires through voluntary produced symbols. G. Traeger 1949. Language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols through which members of a society interact. Noam Chomsky, 1957. A set of sentences built from a finite set of elements. A process of free creation with fixed principles but varied usage. R.A. Hall, 1964. An institution where humans communicate via habitually used arbitrary symbols. Brown, 1984. Language is the most sophisticated and versatile means of conveying meaning. Aitchison, 1987. A patterned system of arbitrary sound signals characterized by structure dependence, creativity, displacement, duality, and cultural transmission. So we are doing after this the theories on the origin of language, a table. So divine source, this is the 18th century. Language was gifted to humans by a divine being, goddess Saraswati for Hindus, Adam for Christians, God ancestor for Egyptians. So example or notes, Samaticus, experiment with babies, Phrygian, Bacos, which is bread. So natural. So natural sound or bow wow theory is the second one. That is, language began by imitating natural sounds. Onomatopoeia, that is echoic. An argument against this has been that we hear and imitate the sounds of nature within the limitations of our first language. Buzz, cuckoo, hiss in English. Example, roosters crowing, that is in English cock-a-doodle-doo. French cucurco. Russian kukuiku. German kikeriki. Then social interaction. Yo-hi-yo. This is another theory. Language evolved from rhythmic chants in communal labor. That is hall, heave, used in collective work. Physical adaptation. Physical changes, brain size or vocal tract enabled speech. So anthropologists, that is study of humans, believe that the evolution of Homo sapiens also enabled language development. So upright posture increased visual range and vocal control. The growth of the cerebral cortex led to reasoning and the emergence of spoken language. Tool making. A language and tool used language and the tool used co-evolved, showing a brain specialization. Around 2 million years ago, humans showed right-handedness and tool-making skills, evidence of advanced brain function. Since tool used and speech involved nearby areas in the brain's left hemisphere, it is believed that both abilities evolved together, contributing to the development of language. Left brain, a specialization for speech and hand coordination. So, genetic source of language. Humans are born with an innate language acquisition device, that is LAD. Noam Chomsky's theory, that is language is hardwired. So, we are born with the ability to speak.